Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 29. How to find guest posting in any niche for Backlink. In this video, we will take a look at how to find guest posting in any niche for Backlink, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, you have to search for your keyword and title right for us. Let's say the keyword is diet, insert it in search. So you'll get all the related results. Open a few from them. On the first page, we find a clause for the link that says they allow one do follow link branding in the whole article. You are allowed to put your website link anywhere in the article. All image citation links will be no follow. And below we have a form to insert your name, email, and your message. Enter details and submit. Back on top, we can see the length of the article will be 800 plus words and more information. On next website, we can see also they have their services details. To become a contributor, here they have specified the guidelines. For questions or support, they have given their contact link. Contact them to specify your article details and their article will be according to this contributor guideline. So remember, on Google, you have to search for your keyword and title right for us to find guest posting in any niche for Backlink. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 30. How to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.